Bet. We walking?
Yeah.
Bet we walking, bro.
Come on, right.
Oh, shit. We out.
This one.
Move that. Let me walk that phone. Yo, chat, we out. Mike, chat, we good. We funny. Stop, bro. Yo, chat, we funny fan right now, bro. Oh, I saw him. Oh my god, my feet hurt. Bro. Still, I saw Phantom. Come Phantom my here, bro. Yo, everybody come Phantom my here, bro. Oh, chill. Stop, bro. Yo, Phantom. Chat, look, Phantom. Oh, my feet. I got in 1 feet. I'm out. My feet. Oh, hell no. Look at that. That's a riot, my guy. Oh, bro. Yo. NYPD. Oh, we out, bro. Chat, we out, bro. What's up, bro? Oh my God, look at Simba. We got ISO speed. Blacko. Chill, bro. Who's that? Yo, bro.
Get there.
Yo, bro. I can't, bro.
Well, you can sit here. I'm gonna sit with you.
Alright.
So you can come back here.
Oh. Yo, Water. You drive too fast, bro.
Everybody stop.
Oh my God.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Shaz.
Shaz?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you from Dior?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Ray. Karaoke.
Hello. Come on this side, babe.
Oh my God, bro.
Wait.
Go left.
Yo. Oh.
Okay.
Yo, Che, yo, Venom, what's up, right now? Venom? What's this?
Oh, what you doing? The nigga busting on you. Bust on the U-turn. Helicopter is on us, bro.
Helicopter on us? Oh, wait, GTA 5-star. We got 5-star now. Helicopter. Deep, chat. Helicopter.
Down the hill.
Oh my God, bro.
Right here. Make it right.
Yeah.
The
Venom.
helicopter is on us.
Oh my God, hip hop.
The helicopter is on us right now.
Why?
Bro, they be doing that every time I go outside. Like,
Helicopter on
I
us
think
right
it's
now.
for protection.
all right, straight.
I don't think it's protection. I think we got
Protection, that's all.
Nah, I think they are on us. I think
Hold it.
they trying to arrest us.
What's the word, man?
Yo, money.
You wanna come down here?
Hold on. All right.
Oh.
All Alright, slow down.
Bro, yo, I got
Yo,
when the
helicopter on this. Alright, stop right
Oh
here.
my God, the
Make a left
girls.
right here, make a left.
Oh my
Niema,
God.
coñazo.
He's a robbery, Chad. He's a really.
Alright, listen.
Let me go
I need y'all to mute y'all streams real quick.
All right, mute.
Relax, relax.
Yo,
Alright, listen. We good. We good.
yo, Phantom. So what's the plan right now?
We're gonna get a different car.
Siéntate aquí, ven.
Different card? Goddamn Phantom.
I can't see what we getting.
I bet.
Yeah, I'm getting for you.
Goddamn Phantom. Fast. Holy, bro. Oh my God.
Sorry. He's gonna have to sit on someone's lap.
Yeah, they own us, fam. Alright, look.
Wait. It's not close.
Yo, chat. Oh my God.
There's a door closed.
Yo, chat. Where's the camera?
Sorry.
Yo, chat.
Are we good? Are we good?
Yeah, we good.
I'm trying to see if I can open get a
Come on. Ray, your name is Raimundo today?
What?
Your name is Raimundo?
Raimundo?
Yeah.
Raimundo?
Raimundo.
Stephen's calling.
Oh,
Tell him, I can't say it out loud, bro.
Okay. So you
Tell
here,
him.
take my phone. Just take my phone.
Make a left.
Here.
Fuck.
Robert.
Hold on, Susie, please, hold on. Can you say it out loud? You gonna have to just wait.
La Niema.
Hold on.
Raimundo, chat.
Go straight.
We are Raimundo. Oh, fuck.
We good, chat. We good, chat.
I'm not heavy.
Not good.
We good, chat. Not crazy. Calm, chat. Calm.
Calm, some calm.
It's calm.
Police on
Give
us.
me that me the whole time.
Helicopter on us. Some calm.
Suave, you feel me? Todo suave. Estamos tranquilos.
Suavemente.
Estamos.
Suavemente, what I mean?
No como ya
slowly.
ahorita voy a do nothing, so tranquilo. Yo, y'all can free the grunts. By the way. Y'all can free the grunts.
Mama Cuervo. This is bad, Mama Cuervo.
That shit will give me PTSD a little bit. I'm not gonna cap.
I haven't enjoyed the parade yet, bro.
Yo, fam, I told you what to do. You messed up, bro.
Guys, can you check if my wallet's around there?
I think you put it in there, in front of the.
Oh, in the middle?
Yeah. No, in front of the door.
Front of me.
In the
Oh,
thing.
in here?
Yeah.
Is that this?